and welcome to this video on Python programming. Python is a popular programming language that is used by developers all over the world. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python can help you create amazing software and applications. In this video, we'll be introducing you to the basics of Python programming. We'll be covering some of the core concepts and syntax that you'll need to get started with writing your own Python code. So, what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language that is designed to be easy to read and write. It has a simple and intuitive syntax that makes it a great choice for beginners. Python is also a powerful language that can handle complex tasks, making it a great choice for experienced programmers. It has a large and active community that creates a wide range of libraries and tools that can be used for a variety of purposes. Python can be used for a wide range of applications, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, and more. It's also a versatile language that can be used on a variety of platforms, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and even mobile devices. Python is also a popular language for beginners because of its easy-to-learn syntax and the wealth of resources available online. There are many online tutorials, courses, and forums that can help you get started with Python programming. In this video, we'll be focusing on the basics of Python programming, so we won't be diving too deep into any specific applications or tools. Instead, we'll be covering some of the key concepts and syntax that you'll need to know to get started with Python programming. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python is a powerful and versatile language that can help you create amazing software and applications. Stick around, and let's get started.